Hey everyone, today we are going to see the unboxing of my monitor, which is G2721E. This monitor is by the KOORUI and it has the 2K 1440p and 300Hz video quality, and basically I bought this for my new gaming PC setup. Here we are going to first unbox this monitor very carefully, and we are going to see some of the parts of this monitor that what we got in the box. So first let's just see there is a nice 12-volt adapter here, which is pretty good for the monitors. And next we have this a manual which nobody reads. Next we have this D-type cable. I'm going to use this one with my PC, and an extension cord for the power supply. Here we are going to see the clamp or the arm of the monitor, and this is actually a hydraulic one, really good quality, and you can say good build, nice color, and it also has a lock for the cables, so that you can fix your cables easily. And finally we have this base for the monitor, and all are in very good dark black, matte black color. Removing the top cover, we can see we have this monitor. We have to carefully plug the arm into the monitor, and then we can pull or lift the monitor here, and finally we can just place it on the base of the this monitor. Here you can see that I am easily putting down this monitor and arranging it or setting it. Here I'm going to recheck the display resolution, which is set to 1440p, and then we can see the refresh rate, which was initially set to 120 Hz, so I'm going to set it to 300 Hz. Next, here is my PC build, and I would like to show you the quality of the display over here. It has a pretty nice display, and the problem I was facing while recording this video was I had a poor light over here in my room. That is why you can see the flickering of the light on the keyboard. Also I tried to adjust or sync the RGB lights of my CPU with the monitor, so that we can have a nice display over here, and comparison how the synchronization is being carried out between the RGB of the CPU and the monitor. So overall pretty it has a pretty good resolution, pretty good qualities. I had played some of the new games, which includes the Marvel Spider-Man 2, the GTA 5, Choo Charles, and the Hello Neighbor 2 on this monitor, and to be honest I really love this setup. So overall I would highly recommend to the guys who want to purchase this monitor. Finally I wanted to show you the PC build of my setup here, and the graphic card over here is the GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. It has 16 GB VRAM and 256 it has 256 bits. For the CPU I chose the 9700X, as I wanted to have a balanced performance between the gaming and the video recording or the video editing. And the motherboard is the X870 Eagle. So I hope you have enjoyed this video.